Hi, I received this homework question and wanted to make a video to address it since it seems to be a common question. So this question is asking us in part A to construct a 96% confidence interval about mu if the sample size n is 18. It's given us x bar to be 115 and the standard deviation to be 10. So the first thing I want to do is gather all the information I know. So I know that x bar is 115. Forgive the terrible penmanship, I'm using a mouse. I know that S is 10. I know that N is 18. And I know that the confidence level is 96%. So based on this information, I should be able to do some calculations to get the rest of the problem that I need. So based on N, I should be able to find the degrees of freedom. The degrees of freedom are always n minus 1, so in this case it would be 17. 18 minus 1 is 17. I need alpha. Alpha is always 1 minus the confidence level. So in this case it would be 0.04. 1 minus 0.96. I'm going to do an alpha over 2, and I'm going to do division, so that would be 0.02. 0.04 divided by 2. I know I'll need a t sub alpha over 2 so that I can fill out these two equations, which would be E equals t sub alpha over 2 times S divided by the square root of n. I will plug that and chug that into x bar minus E is less than mu is less than x bar plus E. So these two pieces will end up giving me the actual confidence interval. So I'm going to jump over into Excel and use these two pieces to get the final answer for my confidence interval. So now I'm in Excel and I need to use the t.inv function to be able to find t sub alpha over 2. So equals t.inv. The probability 1 minus alpha over 2 is 0.02, comma the degrees of freedom, which we found to be 17. E is going to be the number we just found, times S, which is 10, divided by the square root of n, which is 18. Then x bar minus E will be 115 from the problem, minus the number we just found, which is E. And here we would have 115 from the problem, plus the number we just found, which is E. These two numbers would be our actual confidence interval. So I'll go enter those into Excel. I said Excel, but I meant my math lab. So now that I have these two numbers, I need to enter them into my math lab. It wants only one digit, so this one would be 109.8, and this one would be 120.2. We did it correctly. Yay!